Hi everyone, welcome back to the WyStack videos. We're going to talk about a couple more resources you have at your disposal. So throughout the remaining videos in this playlist, I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of examples on the basics of coding. If you want those examples for yourself, I'm going to show you how to download them so you can follow along with the videos and edit them to your heart's content just to get the better understanding. So this link will be in the LMS, but it's gitlab.ssc.dev/dradosevich/WyStack 2020. This is the repository. I won't get into version control with you guys too much, but this is where I have all the Jupyter notebooks I've made, Markdown files I've made, everything stored, ready to go for you guys. So all you need to do is you go to that URL and you click the download and download it as a zip, and you're off to the races. You're ready to go. You have all the materials for you. The next thing that's going to be really important for us is Kaggle.com. So Kaggle is just it's a website that has a collection of data sets for us to use. It's just a wide variety. So we can come in and look at like education. There's a student performance data set that we could use to evaluate and do research upon, or just a tons of others. So what I would like you guys to do is go through Kaggle.net and find some cool data sets. Find something that interests you. You do need an account to download them. I would encourage you to make an account to do so, but if you don't want to make an account, don't want to get your information out there, I already have accounts ready to go, so feel free to just shoot me the link and I'll get it downloaded for you guys. The final thing is Google. Google is going to be almost imperative to your success in this. Being able to identify what problem you're trying to solve when you're learning to code and figuring out how to ask that question is gonna be more vital than pretty much anything else I can convey. I'll of course be there to help you guys along, but being able to solve problems for yourself too is super handy dandy. So the first step is trying to figure out what you're wanting to do. So we showed the previous lecture, I typed in print hello world in a Python file and got it out there. But if you've never in Python before, how do you do that? So we want to search up Python how to print. Okay, the Python print function. So Stanford.edu seems pretty reputable. And we can see it's just print and passing it the string. We'll get into more what strings are later, and that's good to go. Just being able to, I know that's a simplistic example, but when we get more into the weeds, it will be super nice to be able to kind of start researching out what you're trying to do and being able to know how to search it. So you ultimately are going to come across a website called Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is every programmer's favorite website. Not really, but we use it a ton. Let's go. Just Stack Overflow Python print. Print multiple arguments in Python. What you want to do is make sure you always look for the answers. Don't look at the question because that code's usually wrong. Make sure you come down here and look at the answers. But okay, that's just some of the basic resources you have available to you. As we go through the course, more are probably gonna happen. But yeah, just a good place to get started.